Sorry for the technical glitch. We'll discuss about business risk. The possibility of inadequate profits or even losses due to uncertainties or some unpredictable, unexpected, unforeseeable, and unfavorable events which are beyond the control of the businessman are called business risk. Example: damage caused by fire, theft, earthquake, storm, cyclone, flood, embezzlement, bad debts, death, etc. Demand for a firm's product may fall due to change in taste and preference and fashion of the customers. Non-availability of power, capital, raw material in desired quantity and quality. Stopping of production due to workers' strike. So these all are examples of business risk. So there are many risks in business. There are different types of business risks. We will see them. Number 1, speculative risk. Number 2, pure risk. Number 3, insurable risk. And number 4, non-insurable risk. Speculative risk are those risks involve both the possibility of loss as well as the possibility of profit. These arise due to price fluctuations, change in taste and fashion of the consumers, changes in demand. Speculative risk can be minimized and avoided. Pure risk involves only the chance of loss or no loss, but they never bring any pure profit. Earthquake, flood, theft, fire, these are the examples of pure risk. Next is insurable risk. Insurable risks are those risks which can be covered or insured because their probability can be determined. In other words, losses which can for which firm can get compensation from the insurance company are called insurable risk, like fire, accident, theft, etc. Non-insurable risk are those risks which cannot be insured. Example: change in government policies, price fluctuations, change in demand and supply. So this type of risk cannot be insured because it is not possible to determine the probability of such risk. Next, let us see what are the nature of business risk. Business risks arise due to uncertainties. This is very simple to understand. Obviously, due to uncertainties that are inherent in the business risks arise due to that. It arises due to the situations which cannot be predicted with 100% accuracy. Technological changes, strikes, natural calamities, theft, fire, dishonesty, bad debts, change in government policies, change in demand, price fluctuations. These are examples of uncertainty. We cannot predict them. These are unpredictable in nature. So, business risks arise due to uncertainties. Next is risk and is an essential part of every business. Obviously, risk is an essential part of every business. Risk is an unavoidable characteristic of business. No business can run without some element of risk in it. According to Peter F. Drucker, risk bearing is an essential element of business. Risk is an essential part of every business. The degree of risk may vary from business to business, but risk is always present in every kind of business. Number 3, degree of risk depends mainly upon the nature and size of the business. As nature, size, and the scale of operations of the business determine the degree of risk any organization will be facing. Next is profit is the reward or return for risk taking. Whatever amount of risk is beared by the businessman, they will be getting the profit for that. Or we can directly say risk and profit are directly related to each other. There is a famous saying, more risk, more gain. Next is causes of business risk. Natural causes that we have already seen, like earthquake, flood, epidemics, volcanic eruption, drought, tsunami, famine, tornado, etc. So these all are natural causes of risk. Next are human causes. Human causes are also prominent causes of business risk. These include strike, gheeraus, embezzlement of cash, laziness, carelessness of employees, theft of goods, dishonesty, irrational approach of the manager or the owners of the business. Next